So hello everyone, myself Jay Waghani, and today I will going to deal with beyond anthropocentrism, ecocriticism, and the decentering of the human. Here are my academic and presentation details, table of content, research question. How does anthropocentrism influence literature, culture, and human perspectives of the environment? Uh, Anthropocentric worldviews contribute to environmental degradations, various eco-critical perspective in literature and culture can foster awareness, ethical responsibility, and promotes the sustainable human nature and interactions. Here is introduction. So, what is anthropocentrism? It is a culture that believes that humans are in a center or most important entities in the world, and nature is often seen as a resource to serve human needs, like it gives us a food and everything. Rather than having intrinsic values, this worldview has influenced literature, religious science, and environmental politics, often contribute to the ecological crisis. Ecocriticism is an interdisciplinary approach that examines how literature and culture represent the nature world, challenges the human-centered perspective by emphasizing the intrinsic values of non-human life, encourages readers and society to reflect the ethical responsibilities toward nature and reconsider our places within ecological system. So here is I have given examples like everyday actions like reducing plastic uses, planting trees, or supporting wild-free conversation reflects eco-critical thinking, shows how small choices can honor to the interconnectedness of humans and nature. Uh, uh, what is the anthropocentrism? I also discussed definition and origins is rooted in Western philosophy and religion, which positioned humans as master of nature, encourages the view of nature existence primarily of human use and exploitation. Key ideas are human sees as superior to all other species, and here I have given scholarly insights. Uh, Copinia is argues that anthropocentrism shapes modern environmental crisis by justifying exposure to ecosystem of human gain. And Gray is critiques this worldview, showing how it limits our moral imagination and blinds us to the intrinsic values or non-human life. Eco, eco, Ecocriticism shifts beyond of anthropocentrism. Ecocriticism explores how literature and culture represent the relationship between humans and nature, challenging humans centered view. It values non-human life, shifts focuses of anthropocentrism to ecocriticism, and encourages ethical awareness and respect for the life from instead of exploitation. Uh, Here are I give this scholarly argue and example. One example is Henry David Thoreau's Walden. In this text, there is a Walden is mostly talks about his experiment for 2 years, and in this experiment he uh, uh, make a cabin nearby this Walden, uh, and give so many research things, and including this where I live and what I live. So through this, wants to show that how we should live. We He mostly talks about simplicity, and here are key scholars. Uh, uh, Shirley is defines ecocriticism as the study of literature and the physical environment, and Lawrence explores the environmental imagination in the literary narratives, and Jers is analyze the ecocritical themes like wilderness, pollution, and apocalypse. Beyond the human critical shifts, ecocriticism invites the pleasure. Paradigms shifts from a human-centered thinking to the worldview where all beings human are non-human share ecological sciences. And at the end, I give this two example of this texts. The overstory is mostly about trees and how they are a relationship between trees to human. And in this research is give examples that how people are staying with a tree and encounters the problems. And Silent Spring is about this chemical chemical things of this farming, like DDT is especially DDT. It is harmful to the birds and lands and everything. So and literary examples of ecocriticism. So here is the first is from romantic literature, Wordsworth, who celebrates nature as a power and inspire and heal the human spirit. And Samuel Coleridge emphasized the interconnectedness of the human and the natural world. Okay, so this is decentering the human implication and impact. Here I give scholarly insights and challenging and critics. Future directions, and here is the outcome of the study and the conclusion. Anthropocentrism places human at the center, often leading to the environmental degradation, biodiversity loss, and climate crisis. Ecocriticism challenges human-centered perspective by emphasizing the intrinsic value of non-human life and fostering ethical awareness. Decentering the human promotes sustainability, empathy, and coexistence, reshaping cultural narrative, literature, and environmental policies. So here are references, and thank you. Now, if you have any question, then you can ask.